This video is going to walk you through setting up a video assignment in Panopto for students to submit. And the first thing you need to do is to add the Panopto block to your course and configure that connection, which is another video. So once you have the Panopto block, you should see course settings. And when you click on that, it'll open up the connection to Panopto and make that association. And it opens up with the settings. For the most part, you can keep the default settings. And you'll see that it has created a subfolder for your course called Assignments. That's where all of the submissions will go, the students submit. So then you can go back to your course. And once you have that association with editing on, if you click Add an Activity or Resource, you're going to select Panopto Student Submission. And you can give it any name. You can put a description in here, and you can set up your submissions, due dates, and all those settings just like you would any other assignment. You can allow resubmissions, alerts, set a grade, put it in your categories if you have your gradebook set up. You could even set it up by group restrictions, stuff like that, and then you just hit save and it's ready to go. So then what students see when they click on it is they'll see the option to add a Panopto submission. And then they have the option to either choose an existing assignment that they've already, or a video that they've already uploaded, to upload something they have on their computer, or to record directly in the browser, or to download the app. It's pretty straightforward, and like I said, those will go into that folder on Panopto, so you can see them and you can grade them through the app.